ground squirrels hibernate up to 7 months every year. Though sometimes compared to sleep, hibernation is very different. Sleep refreshes the brain. In contrast, hibernation seems to devastate it. As the squirrel enters hibernation, his breathing and heartbeat slow dramatically, and his tiny body chills to just below freezing. Blood flow slows to a trickle and deprives his brain of oxygen and nutrition. As the days pass, brain cells called neurons shrink, and thousands or even millions of connections that make up his memories appear to dissolve. Proteins clump and cling to the neurons, advancing memory loss. In some ways, his brain starts to resemble a brain affected by Alzheimer's disease. Then, something amazing happens. About every 2 weeks, he shivers vigorously until his body warms to its normal temperature, which it remains at for up to 15 hours. During this time, his brain cleans away the clumped proteins and regrows the shrunken neurons, restoring full brain capacity in about 2 hours. The process is repeated during his entire 7-month hibernation, depriving his brain of food and oxygen, then rebuilding it about every 2 weeks, until he emerges in the spring unscathed. And that's not all. Scientists think that old connections between neurons are somehow marked for quick reconnection, so the squirrel gets back not just a working brain, but also something inconceivable: his memories. Researchers hope a better understanding of this process will pave the way for therapies to treat disease in the human brain. What do you think? Did the regenerative ability of the Arctic ground squirrel's brain simply evolve? Or was it designed?